In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to select segments of our clips and export them in Adobe Premiere. Start by creating a new project and importing your clips into that project. Double-click on one of your clips to get it to open up in the source window. I've already done that. And once you have the source window selected, as you can see by the blue box around my source window, I can hit the space bar to start playing my clip. I'm going to look for a point to put an in and out marker. And since I'm going to be cutting these clips down to be edited into a later project, I want to give myself a few seconds before and after where I want to start and end the clip. I've used the I and the O keys on my keyboard to create an in and out point on this clip. The next thing I want to do is to go up to File from the File menu and scroll down to Export and select Media. Or I can push the Command and M keys to bring up the Media Export dialog box. Once I select Export Media, I want to make sure that I turn all of the other options off and just select the one that says Media File. Also, my clip is over here. This is where the file name is. My clip was already named Organizer Interview. If I'm going to be selecting more than one segment from this clip, I'm going to want to create a unique name each time I export a section of that clip. I'm only going to use one from this clip, so I'm going to leave it as it is. I want to make sure video and audio is selected. And down here, I want to make sure that range is set to source in and out. Once I've verified all of my settings are accurate, I want to go back up here to location and select where I'm going to save my edited clips. In this case, I'm going to make my selection for desktop. I'm going to create a new folder and call it Edits. You can call it whatever you would like. And I'm going to hit Save. And then I'm going to go to the very lower right of my dialog box and click on Export, and it will export just that section of my clip into that folder so that I can use it in a later project. It'll take a few seconds to process. And once you've done that, you can continue working through your clips and exporting them into the same folder so they'll be ready to use in a later project.